Welcome back everyone, Triple M here. Today we're taking a look at 3 wall chargers with power delivery, and this is compatible with most of your mobile devices, especially the new iPhone, which as we all know did not come with the chargers. Now 3 chargers we're looking at is the Minima 18 watt, the Focus 30 watt, and the Mix 3, which delivers 90 watts. So this video we're going to do a quick unboxing. We're also going to just test them out, make sure they're working up to par. But if you guys don't know what power delivery is, we're going to get into that here in a little bit. So big shout out to Hawkeye for sponsoring this video. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So if you're new to the channel, I do everything tech, from your streaming reviews, streaming news, product reviews, unboxings, and everything in between. Hit that subscribe button in the top right, smash the notification bell, make sure you select all on notification. That way you won't miss a video or a giveaway. So before we get them out of the box and test them out, let's go over what power delivery is and what it means for these chargers. Power delivery facilitates negotiation between 2 devices so they can determine how much power can be pulled from the charger. So power delivery offers multiple power profiles from 5 to 20 volts, including a crucial 2.2 amp power profile. So basically negotiates the best power to charge your device quickly. So the first device we're looking at is the PA-Y18, and this does have power delivery 3.0. Now the price on this is currently $12.99 on Amazon. I'll go ahead and leave a link for you in the description. The input for this is 100 to 240 volts. So if you're in the US or Europe, you should be good to go. As far as the output, 5 volts at 3 amp, 9 volts at 2 amp, or 12 volts at 1.5 amp. And the max power output for this is 18 volts. Now you can see it's a pretty small plug, 1 USB-C port on the back. It is ideal for your iPhone 12, 11, any version of your iPhone, but it also works great on your Samsung device. And when you use them on your Samsung, you do get that fast charging indication. Now the second plug is the PAD1, and this comes in 2 colors, guys. Comes in black and it comes in white. Now this also does have power delivery 3.0. Input is 100 to 240 volts, and as far as the output, it can output 5 volts 3 amp, 9 volts 3 amp, 12 volts 2.5 amp, 15 volts 2 amp, and 20 volts 1.5 amp. So what's cool about this is that not only does it have a fast charger, but also has the power delivery port. And with that power delivery port, you can charge a lot of different things. So yes, you can charge your iPhone 12, you can charge your iPhone 11, your Samsung smartphones, but also if you have a small computer like a MacBook Air or something like that, it does have the capability to charge that, and that's possible with the 20 volts at 1.5 amp. Now the third charging brick, and probably the star of the show, is the PAB6, and this does have 2 power delivery ports and 1 USB fast charging port. And the cool thing about this is that the max output is 90 watts, so this can deliver a lot more power to your larger laptops and devices. So if you guys have a MacBook Pro or a Dell or any laptop that uses USB-C, you should be able to charge via the first port on the bottom. So the max output for the second port, this is the one in the middle, is going to be 24 watts, while the max output for the first power delivery port on the bottom is going to be 90 watts. So what to take away from that is that if you're using a bigger device, a laptop of some sort, you want to use the power delivery port on the bottom. Now as far as the overall performance and design of the chargers, I was really impressed, guys. The first one, of course, the smallest one, is the 18 watt, ideal for just having a single phone. So if you guys have your iPhone 12, 11, your Samsung phone, easy to just put it in your pocket, be on the go, and you're all set. The second one, of course, if you need a little more juice, so maybe you have a phone and a small laptop, or if you have 2 phones or something like that, this will be ideal. The third one, of course, is gonna give you the most bang for your buck. So you have your laptop, you have 2 phones, you have an iPad, you have multiple devices that you need to charge. This one would be a great option to have. Overall designs were great. So the 18 watt is going to be more glossy. The 30 watt is going to have a flat black design, but just remember that that comes in 2 colors, your white and your black. And of course the last one, the 90 watt, comes in a flat white and just looks amazing. The 3 charging bricks does fold up the main plug, which gives you a little bit of room when you have it in your pocket or when you throw it in your bag and you're on the go. So like I said, overall great design, the 3 chargers, depending on what you're going to use it for. The prices are amazing in my opinion, and I'll go ahead and leave those links in the description of this video. So that's it for this video. Shout out to Hawkeye again for sponsoring this video. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.